Every day, tens of thousands of aircraft operate safely thanks to a global network of parts suppliers and MRO facilities. As trade policies evolve, new challenges appear. The recent wave of US tariffs, including these on aerospace goods, is creating particularly strong headwinds. Such tariffs have introduced new friction into an industry built on precision and timing. In recent years, aerospace components have already faced increased import duties. Tariff rates on certain goods now range from 10% to 25%, or even more depending on country of origin, material type, and classification. These policies are not fixed. They continue to shift. But while the rules change, the impact on costs and logistics remains significant. Prices are rising across the board. A turbine temperature sensor that once cost $8,500 now reaches beyond $10,600 with duties included. A fuel control unit for a CFM56 engine, previously around $48,000, can now exceed $60,000. Even titanium fasteners, used in large volumes across fleets, now carry added expense, increasing the total cost of heavy checks and repairs. Higher costs aren't the only consequence. Tariffs are forcing a restructuring of global aviation supply chains. Lead times are increasing. Preferred suppliers are becoming less accessible, and some parts are rerouted through third countries. MROs and airlines face more uncertainty. Planning ahead has become more complex, and any delay puts aircraft availability at risk. The response is already visible. Repair capabilities are gaining importance over direct replacements, and every decision, from sourcing to scheduling, now requires more coordination and flexibility. Trade policies remain in flux. Stakeholders across the industry are preparing for several outcomes, adjusting supply chain strategies and vendor networks accordingly. Cost modeling, risk assessment, and contingency planning are now essential. The pressure to manage both pricing and availability is becoming a permanent part of operations. Online marketplaces and digital platforms like Locatory.com are helping to manage these disruptions. With access to inventory from over 150 countries, users can compare pricing, evaluate lead times, and identify alternate sources quickly. In a shifting market, access to broad, real-time data creates options, and options reduce risk. The aviation industry continues to face uncertainty in trade policy, but aircraft still need to fly, maintenance still needs to happen, and every delay carries consequences. Success now depends on adaptability, visibility, and smarter decisions at every level of the supply chain. Locatory.com supports that mission with tools built for today's challenges. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. For more insights into how global trends are reshaping the aviation aftermarket, stay tuned to our channel.